Hey, hello everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at your places with your family members and enjoying the school from home program. I'm your Bhumika ma'am. As we are doing chapter 6. Today we are going to do thick and thin and let's try 4. The objective of this is to use the terms thick and thin. But before that, a quick recap for you. As you understood, the concept of light and heavy, lighter and heavier, and also understood lightest and heaviest, and estimating weight. So let's start today's topic, that is thick and thin. For that, you have to open page 90. First of all, write down today's date here. Let's find out. Thick and thin. Thick means mota या घना and thin means patla. Let's understand thick and thin with some examples. Now look at this red box. It is thick. And now look at this green book. It is thin. Similarly, now look at this pen. It is thick. And now look at this pencil. It is thin. Okay, do you know when we talk about one thing we use thick and thin, but when we compare two objects we use the words thicker and thinner, and when we compare three or more objects we use the words thickest and thinnest. Okay, look at the pictures below. Which pencil is thicker? Tick your answer. Pencil A, pencil B. As you can see in this picture, there are two pencils given here, A and B, right? So we have to find out which pencil is thicker. Thicker means ज़्यादा मोटी. दोनों में से ज़्यादा मोटी पेंसिल कौन सी है? Yes, A. So pencil A पर हम टिक लगा देंगे. Okay? Let's understand thicker and thinner with the help of these examples. As you can see in this picture, there are two pencils, right? So we will say yellow pencil is thicker and green pencil is thinner. Now look at this picture. In this picture there are two books. Now which book is thinner and which book is thicker? Yes, yellow book is thinner and blue book is thicker. Now look at another example. When we compare three or more objects, we use the words thickest and thinnest. जब हम तीन या तीन से ज़्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट्स को कंपेयर करते हैं तो हम यूज़ करते हैं वर्ड्स thickest और thinnest. Like as you can see in this picture, there are three roles given here, right? A, B and C. Now tell me which roll is thickest? जो सबसे मोटा है, A. And which roll is thinnest? जो सबसे पतला है, that is C. Okay? So let's understand the concept of thickest and thinnest with these examples. As you can see in this picture, there are three brushes, right? So now we are comparing three brushes. So now we have to tell which is thickest and which is thinnest. So thickest brush means सबसे मोटा brush और thinnest brush means सबसे पतला brush. So now tell me which one is the thickest brush in these? This one. And which one is the thinnest brush in these? Yes, this one. Very good. As you can see in this picture, there are three candles. So now we have to find out thickest candle and thinnest candle. Yes, this is a thickest candle and this is a thinnest candle. Now let's start. Let's try 4. 1. Tick the thinner and cross the thicker object. In this, what you have to do? In this, we have to compare two objects. Okay? So as I told you before, when we compare two objects, we use the words thinner and thicker. So here, if the object is thinner, we have to write tick, and if the object is thicker, we have to write cross. Okay, so let's start. As you can see in the first box, there are two candles given here, candle A and candle B. Tell me which candle is thinner and which candle is thicker. Yes, candle A is thinner, so we will write tick here, and candle B is thicker, so we will write cross here. Okay, so like this you have to do first part of let's try 4. Now come on page 91. 2. Tick the thickest and cross the thinnest object. So what you have to do in this, as यहाँ पर हम तीन चीज़ों को आपस में कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. As I told you before, when we compare 3 or more objects, we use the words thickest and thinnest, right? तो हमें यहाँ पर बताना है कि कौन सी ऑब्जेक्ट थिकेस्ट है और कौन सी थिनेस्ट, right? If the object is thickest, we have to write tick, and if the object is thinnest, we have to write cross. So A is, as you can see here, there are 3 pencils given in this box, right? So now tell me which pencil is the thickest and which pencil is the thinnest. Yes, this pencil is the thickest, so we will write tick here, and this pencil is thinnest, so we will write cross here. So like this you have to do second part of the let's try 4. So that's all for today. I hope you understood well. With this video, we will be providing you one worksheet. Students, you have to complete Let's Try 4 and this worksheet neatly. Parents are requested to read the instructions. Okay then, take care, stay home, stay safe, bye-bye.